Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to see you here today and I hope you're having a wonderful day. So today's video is exciting because I bring you the spring box for, not spring, the summer box for FabFitFun. If you guys don't know what it is, it's a quarterly subscription. It starts at $49.99 if I'm not mistaken. I do have the annual subscription, which saves you a little bit money, and also you get a chance to have more choices, because in the quarterly box, the regular box, you do have a choices in like a couple of items, but in the annual subscription you get you have even more choices. So that's cool, and I really like this box and I'm always excited to share with you. So let's start. So this is what the box looks like. The boxes are always pretty, quite heavy. So let's open it up. I need to get some scissors. So you might see some variations because I made some choices. I also added some extra items, but that was extra. I paid for it extra. Like add-ons to the box, which I will show you separately, but I'm just going to show you what's in the box. I love their boxes, like the design, it's so pretty, very beachy, very nice. They always come, I don't have space, I'm going to use my knees here. They always come with a nice book, which I appreciate because it gives you information about all the items, the ones that you chose and the ones that you didn't get to choose. I wish I could get all of them because the items were so nice, and it gives a retail value of each. I'm gonna go one by one. In this case, I think I'm gonna go in the order that I see it in the box because I don't remember exactly all the choices I made. I think I'm better this way. Yeah, I'm in a tight spot, so it's kind of hard. Okay, there we go. Alright, so the first item I see, I think I'm going to go with actually the first item in the book is the first item that I see. Let me show you guys how it looks like inside. A bunch of stuff. Okay, so let's see. The first thing I'm going to take out is the bag. This was a choice item. I could either get this bag, or I could get the ceramic diffuser. Okay, I see. It was either the bag or the dye towel. I chose the bag because I didn't need any more towels. I don't need bags either, but I think I'll use this more than the towels. I don't know when I'll be able to go back to the beach, but at least I could wear this to go out or something. This is very pretty. It's like a straw. Retail value of this is $75. I don't know if I will pay $75 for this, but it's still very nice. It looks very sturdy, very well made. The sewing is really nice. It has a cute design, a cute bow in the outside. I like this. It's really cute, very summery. I like it. So that's one item. I'm sorry, I was a little bit confused. Yeah, you get a choice of one of these 6 items. There you go. So instead, it was either the bag, the towel, the diffuser, the charging pad, the eye cream, or the eyelash conditioner. I chose the bag because I didn't need the towel. I already have a charging pad, and the other stuff didn't really catch my attention, so I chose the bag. The second item that you get to customize is one of these items right here. Actually, one of these 6 items. It was either the Micke passport wallet, the Isaac Mizrahi blue and white kimono, the cooler bag, the shampoo and conditioner, the moisture reset face oil, or the necklace, the keychain necklace. I think I got the shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, I got the shampoo and conditioner. I didn't get a passport wallet because I already have a cooler bag. I have a lot of face oils, so I was curious to try the shampoo and conditioner because I do have one of their hair products and it smells really nice, so I was interested to try this out. I'm always I like to try new things, so for my skin and for my hair. Oh, and it smells so good. Just I thought that it would. I knew it was gonna smell good. It smells really nice. So yeah, gotta try these out and then let you guys know how I think. Okay, so the next item is either, it was a choice between the both by Kula, but it was a choice between the Mineral Face Matte Finish Sunscreen Lotion or the Cucumber Sunscreen Lotion. So I chose the Mineral Face Cream Matte Finish. I don't know why I didn't get the Cucumber one. I don't know why. But I got this as SPF 30. by Kula. So, you know, summer's here. Is always good to have protection and protect your skin. So that was a nice item. The theme is summer, so everything is summer related. Okay, the next one is either the Tom sunglasses, the black peel off mask, the Kate Somerville moisturizing cream, the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, the Terre Mer Aloe and Tea Tree Toner, or the oh no, I'm sorry, it's only the first is for. I don't remember what I got. I already have the Dry Bar Prep Detangler, so I did not get that. I don't think I got the Kate Somerville either because I already have that. So I don't know what I got. Yeah, I didn't get any of those 4 items. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm gonna do something else. I'm just gonna go and just show you what I got and just babbling. Okay, this is the silk satin pillow sleeve. Retail value is $29.50. I've heard good things about this and bad things, mixed feelings. They say it's really nice, but people don't like that it's open in both ends. I don't know if I mind, but I do wanna. I'm just very excited to have a satin pillowcase to see, and I'll try it out to see if it makes difference in the way that I sleep, and sometimes because I sleep on my side, and sometimes I wake up like with this area right here red. So I'm wondering if with a change in the pillowcase that will make it better. I'll let you guys know. And that one's a choice item between that or the Isaac Mizrahi Sienna vase, which I didn't get, or the beach mist. Did I get the beach mist? Yes, I did. The beach mist botanical after sunspray. So whenever I go back to the beach, I don't know when that's gonna be, but whenever I go back to the beach, or even if after a hot day, it's you can mist this and feel refreshed. Let me see what it smells like. Very, very clean, very subtle, it's not too fragrant, which I like that, because I don't like to smell like a walking cucumber, a walking coconut, a walking pineapple, you know. Okay, there's 3 more items in here. Let's turn the page, and it is the, let me see, okay, the Cali Cosmetics foot cream with menthol and Tarocco. This is what it looks like. Retail value is $24. It's a combination of menthol and olive oil that helps heal and hydrate your feet. I do need that hydration. I have dry skin, so it smells really nice, very fresh. It says it's in the fragrance Sicilian blood oranges, but I didn't detect any strong fragrance. Next is by Spongele hand cream. I didn't know they had hand creams. I know they had like those sponges, but I didn't know they had hand cream. This is in coconut verbena hand cream. Nourish and hydrate your hands with a blend of hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and macadamia seed oil. Retail value is $18. Yeah, I definitely smell the coconut. It's very light. It's not like a thick cream, which I like. Oh, it smells really nice. Like there's the coconut smell, but it fades away a little bit, and it's really soft. It leaves your skin really soft. I like that. And then the last item is the Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. I saw the review that Jen Loves Reviews did on her FabFitFun, and she got this and she liked it. So I have to try it out and see if it's as good as she says it is. So it's on the one side is the pencil, and then the other side should be the what is it called, spoolie, the little brush. I'll definitely try this out. Cool. This retail value is $16. So let me do really quick a sum of all the items I got, what the retail value is, to let you guys know. I didn't mention that shampoo and conditioner was $64. Really expensive. So the total retail value of all the items I got are $262.50, and I paid, well, the quarterly box is $49.99, so $50, and I got $262.50 worth of things. A mix of beauty, there's not makeup, only the eyebrow pencil, but it's mostly skincare, and there's shampoo and conditioner, and there's lifestyle items. There's a fabulous subscription box. If you guys don't know about it yet or don't know of it, I highly recommend you guys joining. I'm gonna put a link down below if you guys are interested, and I believe I have a discount code for you guys. I really love FabFitFun. It's one of my favorite subscription boxes. I know I say this about other subscription boxes, but it's just that it's true. I really do like this subscription. It's a good box with really nice items. They've never disappointed. That's why I joined the annual subscription. I believe it's the only one that I have the annual subscription with, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe that one in Causebox, which Causebox is my favorite, but I think those are the only 2 ones that I have the annual subscription, because that's how much I like them. I also wanted to show you the items that I got extra. There were add-ons. They're not part of the subscription box, but I decided to get add-ons just because I wanted to try them out. First is this exfoliating foot mask. I do not remember what I paid for it, but it was not it was on sale, so I don't think it was I don't remember the price, so I'll have to look it up. This is a exfoliating food mask which smooths and softens intense hydration. I'm always looking for things to hydrate my skin, and so this is something exciting, something that I would love to try for my feet. There's also the Real Complexion Hyaluron Skin Essence 5-in-1. It's moisturizing, skin glowing, skin boosting, skin balancing, and skin softening 11-free system, free of 6 types of paraben, benzyl alcohol, chlorphenesin, benzophenone 8, pigment, and fragrance. Let me see what the bottle looks like and what it smells like. Oh, it's a really nice, pretty bottle. It reminds me of the Kylie Skin one, the way it looks. Yeah, it's not supposed to smell like anything, but I always smell anyways. So yeah, this is really good. It's supposed to be good for your skin. Excited to try this out. And then there is by Spongele. I like the one I got in my last box, so I decided to get another one. Body wash infused buffer. I got it in the fragrance beach grass. It says 14 or more washes, but sometimes I extend it for more. So ooh, my goodness, it smells so good. I hadn't opened it till now because I wanted it to be a surprise. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm definitely getting more of those. I love those. They're good for like traveling too. Like, not that I'm gonna travel anytime soon, but it's good for traveling because you know you don't have to carry like your soap and your wash and your what's it called, your sponge. You just take that 14 washes. It's like about a week, 2 weeks, I don't know. I also got these little, it's supposed to be like for food, for sandwiches. I thought they were so cute. I love cactuses and succulents, so I thought this was cute. It says FabFitFun in the front, and it's a good way to help the environment because you're not throwing away any Ziplocs or plastic containers or anything like that. And finally, I got this really cute envelope. Notebook. I like the print. It was really cute. I love notebooks. I have a bunch of them. And I like it looks kind of like a book. And I just liked it. I thought it was fun to write notes, to ideas for YouTube videos, whatever it is that I would like to write about. So I got those items extra just because I wanted to try them out, and I'm really excited. This beach, I can smell it from here. It's like on my desk, and oh my god, it smells so good. I'm gonna use it today. Definitely using it today. So yeah, these are the items I got extra as my add-ons. So I would like to know what you guys think. If you did get a box this quarter, if you are subscribed to FabFitFun, I would like to know what you guys got. What was your favorite item? What you liked about this video? Any items you have questions about? Please leave me your questions and comments down below. I love to hear from you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to my channel and clicking on the bell to get notified of future videos so you won't miss a thing. I really enjoy sharing these items with you, and getting the subscription boxes are like one of my favorite things. So I really do enjoy sharing it with you. And I want to thank you again for swinging by to watch me. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.